How's it going, guys? Welcome, welcome. I'll share my screen in a second. Hope everyone's doing well. Let me just get some music on for you. Yo, yo, yo. Welcome, guys. Welcome. How's it going? Hope everyone's ready for another good week in the markets on gold. Yeah, like I say, not much. Let me just get out of this. There we go. Sorry, guys. I had the replay bar on. Yeah, not much is happening, or as happened today. I've been in one trade, break even, but we're gonna get more opportunity. Just stay patient. What we're seeing now is exactly the same as what we saw last week, but there's definitely entries and positions that we can look to take. So, Wes, welcome. Arthur, welcome. I'm going to be looking for longs very shortly too, so stay tuned, stay locked in, and we'll be able to catch them. If you've just joined, guys, drop us a comment. Let's see who's here. Drop a like. We've got 15 here. And we're smashing them likes already, guys. So I appreciate everybody tuning in, liking the video. Yeah, let's see who's here, guys. Drop a comment. Let's see who's joining in today. I'm just gonna put the link back in the thingy really quickly. Just tell everybody I'm live on Telegram. And then we'll get cracking. It's Monday, guys. Like I say, we don't need to rush into anything, but if them longs do set up, I'm definitely going to be looking to take it. Ismail, welcome, bro. Wes, I'm hoping that 5 would confirm. For me, I'm looking for buys back above here now. Because we've created resistance, look. Resistance. Resistance. Once we got that rejection, you know, twice here, I don't really want to be looking. I don't really want to be looking for longs until we close above here. Because gold could react like we did here and continue down. And when we're in a big range, I don't really want to be trying to catch... trying to catch longs until we close back above here. But I'll break that down in a second, guys. Let me have a look at the chat. Julius, welcome, bro. Welcome, Julius. Julius is back. Ismail's here. Wes, Arthur. Am's here. Welcome, Am. Weak claws, yeah. If this 15 or 30 can get back above the level that I'm going to show you in a second, longs are on for me. Because we've got some great long targets. Look at all-time highs. We've got 70 ticks into all-time highs, which is perfect. I'll break that down in a second, guys. Good afternoon, Joe. Sean's here. Welcome, Sean, mate. Sean is in the building. Welcome, Sean, my friend. Alex, welcome, Alex. Guys, it's good to see everybody here. Smashing it. Monday. Love the dedication. That's what it takes, guys. Stay dedicated. Follow the plan. Stay consistent. And everything that you want with trading will happen. That's it, guys. Anybody, guys, for the like consistency. If you show up every day, I don't care how long it takes you. If you show up every day, stay consistent, you're already in. You're already on the right path. Literally, if you just stay consistent and show up every day, the only way is up. Bernick, Brian, welcome. Both. Bernick's back here. Brian, welcome, guys. Welcome. Good turnout already, guys. Good turnout. We've got 20 guys here. Well, ladies as well, of course. But yeah, guys, let's start breaking this chart down. And I'm gonna show you the trade that we took today. But I've already mentioned this in the Zoom to the community members. Look at the 4 hour here. This 4 hour is sideways. I'm already in a few buys from Asia and London session. Nice, Alex. Good stuff, man. Naz, welcome, mate. How are you, my guy? Ready to smash this week, guys. I'm ready, always ready. Like I say, I know a few of the members took some ticks on gold already today, which is good to see. I'm personally break even, one trade break even, but I'm happy with it. 3 wins, 1 loss for today. Good stuff, guys. I love it when everyone's crushing it. And that's the thing. Trading the style that we trade, you'll have a lot of these communities and they'll trade exactly the same setups. They'll trade... So the owner of the community will take 5 trades and all the members will take 5 trades. And that's not what trading's about. People trade different times. People trade different hours. You're going to take different trades, and that's what it's all about. Trading the same concepts as what I teach, but not taking the same trades because, for example, you've got a different range. You trade different times. You trade different time frames. That's what it's about. It's not about taking exactly the same trades as me. It's about seeing the concept, seeing it's a valid trade, trading your times, and executing. All good, bro. Heavy range on the H4. That is exactly what it is, man. Yeah, guys, like Naz said, this is what we're working with on the 4 hourly. I'm not going to look any further. There's no need. Daily and the daily and the 4 hour is showing me the same thing. You're seeing a little bit of range on gold. Well, a little bit. Quite a heavy range on gold. But if we just measure the range from high to low, you've got 350 ticks there from high to low. And like I say, we're day trading. We only need 30, 40, 50 ticks. So this range is plenty big enough. We've got 360 tick range here, and we're going to find our range within this overall bigger range, and we'll be able to catch our moves. Like I say, you're not going to catch substantial, very huge moves within this range because gold is chopping within this bigger chop. But can we day trade it? Can we catch the ticks we need for the day? 100% we can. And most of the members have already done that already today, which is good to see. So, yeah. Overall, guys, range on gold, and when it's a range on gold, I just use the highest probability levels to close above or below. And looking at the 4 hourly, you can see too that we're quite bullish, even though we are in a range. The last 12 hours has been quite bullish, and we've got clear liquidity, all-time highs to take here. So what is gold telling me? What is gold telling me it wants to do? It's telling me that it wants to continue higher into this liquidity. Is it telling me it wants to reverse and continue down yet? No. It's telling me that it wants to continue higher. So I'm going to be looking for buys back above this level here. Maybe just a little bit above I had it, yeah. 47s, perfect. I'm going to be looking for buys back above here. You can see on the 15 it's as clear as anything too. Not just recent price action, but if you look in the past a little bit too, look. Resistance, look, 3 times, 4. The last hour has rejected this level 4 times. Resistance here. Let's have a look to the left too, because we do like to stack the level. Look, resistance, 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 support, resistance, big level. I'm not buying until we can close above there. Gold's bullish, yeah. But if we get back above here, look how many ticks we've still got into them targets. You've got great first targets here. Bang, we can go break even there, and we can let them runners continue higher. So you've got 30 ticks into first target, 70 to 80 ticks into all-time high runners. And we know gold just doesn't hit all-time high and reverse instantly. It'll push 30 ticks above. So you've got 100 ticks easy into all-time high if you can start closing back above this level. In terms of sells, to be honest with you guys, I'm probably not going to be looking for sells today. Gold's bullish higher time frame. Gold today's bullish. I'm always open to sells because I know that gold can do crazy things. And let's say gold, for example, just flies down. Trump says something crazy, and we break below this level here at 29.30. 36. Yeah, I'll then be looking for some sells. I'm still open to sells, but it'll have to close below some decent levels. You know, you've got at least 20, at least here at 29.42. But sells, I'd have to see that volume, guys, for if I'm going to think about sells. I'm not going to be selling here when we're super bullish. At maximum, it'll be half risk sells, but I'm not looking for half risk sells. I've already taken a break-even trade today. I'm not looking for them half risk trades. But yeah, let's see what gold does for the sell side. We'll have to break at least below 29.42 with the price action that we've got now. But this is the range. This is the range that I've got. Just got to be patient and wait for the closure at 100% NAS. That's why, and that is literally the reason for the range. Gold will always range before any significant move. Just look at the chart. Go on the 1530, guys. Mark a range and see what happens when you break it. It'll fly. Look. Range, fly. Range, push down. Always so. Look. Range, push up. Range, push up. Range, push down. Range, push up. All we're doing now is we're marking out the range. It's literally all we're doing. And that is and so many members come to me and they go, Joe, like, before I never knew about ranges. Like, you've just taught me a whole new level of patience. And that is what trading's about. We're paid to wait. We're not paid to try and guess that gold's going to buy right now. No, we're not guessing that gold's going to buy exactly at a point. Here, even here. We're going to look at the market. When it closes above, we're going to say, all right, gold's telling me it wants to continue higher. Now I'm going to start buying. Right now, it's telling me absolutely nothing. What's gold telling me now? It's telling me that it's come, took this liquidity, closed back within this range. Now it's telling me that it could potentially range. But I'm going to wait. I'm going to see, I'm going to wait because it's in the range. If it gets above, it's telling me it wants to continue higher. Starts closing with some volume to the downside. Yeah, we'll react to the shorts. But for now, mark the range. Just need to wait, let it close above. See how this 15 closes, guys. If you've got any questions, if you want me to have a look at any other pairs, please let me know, guys. Like I say, it's only Monday. It's only Monday. It's only Monday, everyone. Stay patient. We've got a big week ahead. I know some guy, like I say, some members have already taken some W's. 3 wins for Julius. Great stuff. Alex is already in buys. If you've caught a position today, guys, understand that we're in a range. I know, and I don't try to force anything, because I know I take average of 10 to 15 trades a week. I've only taken 1 for the week. I know on average, minimum, I'm going to take another 9 positions. So if I know I'm going to take another 9 positions from my stats, and my not my back test, in my journal, I know I take around 10 to 15 trades. Why would I start jumping in random positions? There's just no need. I know that I'm going to take 9 high probability trades. Yeah, that's why the only setups have been on the 5 for today. Yeah, 100%. I took, guys, let me break down the 30. Let me just delete this range. I'm going to keep the liquidity targets. I took this. Okay. I had this range to buy above. We broke above this range. I bought this next 30-minute candle into these highs here. My stops were like 15 ticks on the futures. And I got taken out break even. We pushed a decent, look at this, we pushed up 25 ticks. I went break even and it came and hit the original stop loss. So management was spot on there. Like I say, you only need 20 ticks a day. 20 ticks a day times 5. And obviously you're going to take losses. But 20 ticks a day times 5 is 100 ticks. 100 ticks on one contract is $1,000 on one account. You know, if you've got 4 or 5 accounts, times it by 4, times it by 5. You don't need these huge moves that these gurus tell you. No. Be happy with what gold gives you. And yeah, I got break even there. I didn't take any partials, but yeah. That was the only trade I've taken today. Great management. But yeah, right now, my range is 47's area around here. Nancy, how's it going? Welcome. Guys, I'm still setting my new OBS up. OBS can be a bugger to set up. I'm setting my new OBS stream as well. If anybody can do overlays, Guys, can you see the overlay on my stream here where it says Joe trades this great outline box, and then I've got the sessions? If someone can create overlays, message me. If someone can design overlays, please message me. I'm going to put it in the free Telegram, but if there's someone here who can do it and understands what I'm talking about, please drop me a message. I would like a fresh overlay for the streams. Took the same position this morning, same management. Perfect. Great stuff, Skate. See, that's what we like to see, guys. People, like I say, and people take different entries. Somebody might enter on the different time frame, but that's not... Trading's not about taking the exact same trade as me, guys. Like, if you take the same trade and you see the same things, perfect. It's good that you're understanding the concepts. But there's so many groups, and the mentor will take 10 positions, and all the traders will take 10 positions too. And it's like, you're not trading what you see, you're trading what somebody else sees. Wes, you can do perfect. I appreciate that, mate. What I want, guys, is I'm going to get rid of stream record. I'm going to keep session trades. I'm going to get rid of stream record because people see the levels anyway. 78% win rate. I don't need to show that anymore. I'm going to put the chat box here instead. So I want like 3 different boxes. I might put the stream record somewhere in the top right corner, but I don't need to show that. I don't care what people think. Joe, you need to show your record. Like, yeah, I could do. The only reason I started showing the record is because people, randoms would come on, like, asking about what's your strike rate and stuff. But people who join day in, day out, all the usuals, everybody here now, all the legends are here, understand the levels that we trade at. I might keep the record on. Might keep it on. Dun, dun, dun. How's everyone's day been though, guys? Yeah, let's see how this 15 close is. 15 closure back above this level. Perfect. I'm gonna go long. Skate, did you take partials, Skate, or did you get fully break even like me? Yeah, that was probably one of the cleanest entries. Some entered this candle here. That, Julius, that's exactly what I meant. That's exactly how I meant to word it. Julius just mentioned it exactly. Perfect. That's the reason. That's the reason I was going to take it off, because people who ask about stream record join for like 2 minutes and instantly say, what's your record? Just sit and watch the streams for a couple of weeks and you'll understand that it's 70 to 80%. It is good to keep a tally on it though, I do understand, guys. It is good. Like, in 2 years we'll see, oh, Joe, you've maintained 70, 75. Could be lower, could be higher. Percent strike rate over like 2 years, which is great. Something to obviously keep. I might keep it, you know, but that's the reason what Julius said. All good, man. Up over 200 on 2 accounts. Nice. That's it, Wes, man. But yeah, Wes, I'll drop you a message after, and this week hopefully we can try and work. If not this week, whenever you're free, we can work on something like that. I just want something clean. Something clean, 3 boxes, done. Skate, that was exactly my management point too. I was looking to manage at these highs here, but as soon as we pushed 20 ticks, look, we pushed 20 ticks. As soon as we pushed that 20 ticks, there was no way I'm leaving my original stop. Because we're like, how far away? You need to ask yourself, guys, risk to reward is always evolving. So you need to ask yourself, if your stop's 15 ticks and you're already 20 ticks in profit, you're risking 40 ticks for the sake of 6 ticks. Look, If we zoom in on this, let me just, so it's a little bit messy, I do apologise. Look, this red candle that we entered on here, you've got like 5 ticks to that first target. You need to be going break even at 20 ticks because you're risking not only 20 ticks to break even, but your original stop, you're risking 30 to 40 ticks for the sake of 5. So you need to be going break even there, reducing that risk to 0. And if it hits first target, you take partials. I hope that makes sense. If not, next time. Yeah, man, let's do it. Appreciate that, Wes. When it comes to design and computers, I can do thumbnails, like basic thumbnails, like you see. Like the first thumbnail. If you look at my first videos on YouTube, they're like thumbnails I created. But when it comes to like fully designing stuff, it's either I can't do it really. I do Canva. You can see how good this range has been rejected as well. Look at that. Oh. Guys, if you've got any other pairs that you want me to look at too. If you've got any other pairs that you want me to check, have a look, tell me, and I can break them down. Look at this though. The reason we had to use this range, resistance, rejecting it very well. So guys, smash the like button too. I appreciate it. Look at that, 12 likes already. Legends. Gold about to fly. Just a waiting game. Yeah, just a waiting game for now. If gold does fly, Alex, I hope it does because I can catch some longs, but it'll be back above here. I'm in GU shorts if you don't mind having a look. Yeah, let's have a look, man. I used to trade GU like 3 years ago. Oh yeah, you took that liquidity nicely. Look guys, nice liquidity grab, reverse to the downside, same concepts, look. You're likely to come and take this low here. I'd be looking, if you are in GU shorts from anywhere up here, I'd be looking to take partials when you came into these lows. Because what could happen is price comes into these lows, take this liquidity, and then it could reverse. So, yeah, be looking to manage down here, okay? But yeah, nice trade if you're in that from anywhere around where I mentioned. What's this music saying? Where are we? Nice. Let's have a look at Nas. Ooh. Yeah, look at this now. You can say that this is the range, which is perfect. Nice range there now. If this 15 closes like this on Nas, you've got some decent half risk longs higher. For some decent pullbacks. Yes, guys, thanks for the likes as well. We've got 35 here now. Nice. Welcome, everybody. US 100 buys as well, looking amazing. Yeah, I do like buys rejecting the level, sweeping liquidity. If you close bullish like this, you're probably going to see a little, at least a 15 to 20 tick push on Nas. And that's all you need, really, guys. Get that 15 to 20 ticks, reduce risk to break even. You know, let's say you get in. Got your stops on these lows. soon as price comes into some of these highs, reducing that risk to break even, and this could fly. If you've not already subscribed, guys, drop a subscribe to. I go live 1.5 to 2 hours per day, every single day. And yeah, drop a like if you're new, drop a comment. Welcome to everybody who's just joined. I'm currently looking at gold, really. Looking at gold longs, but Naz has been super clean. I know, because I know a fair few of the Discord members love to trade Naz, and it's been clean recently. But do I trade it? No, I haven't really got enough data on it. I haven't traded it enough. But what we can do, we can mark this entry up here. We can mark this entry up here. We can see how we do. Like I say, guys, I'm not taking this trade, but this is definitely a valid entry. But I haven't got enough data to see if it is going to push anything like gold does. If this was gold, I'd be looking to enter on the flip of this candle here. But please do not take any of this as a guaranteed push higher, because I personally just don't trade Naz. I haven't got enough data on it, but now we could push higher. That's all I'm saying. We'll check back on that in maybe like 20-30 minutes. My attention's here on gold. Be watching this 15 closure. Next 15 closes above, bang, I'm longing. I'm quite interested in this now. You'd like it to push now. And as soon as you come into these highs here, you need to be managing. Yeah, that's a nice move on Naz there. Beautiful. That is the most. That's perfect. This is anybody who's interested in half risk entries. This is the cleanest half risk entry. Reject the level, take liquidity, close bullish, flip candle higher. If you want to manage your risk now, you can do, because you've got a decent push. 6 ticks stop loss, and into them highs, 50 ticks. Look at that. You've got like a look at that. What a push. And if it moves like it has been doing, I'm probably going to add it to the pairs. But not yet. It won't be now. It'll be in a few months. But that is a clean entry. Look at that. What a push. Gold to the moon. Let's check. Here we go. Yeah, I'm watching this next 15 closure for gold longs. I'm just going to update the community really quickly, guys. Because if this 15 can close strong above this level, look, resistance, if we can close clean above here, you're likely to come into these first targets. I just need this closure. Just need to wait for this closure, okay? I'm invested in this. How many ticks did it push? 6 ticks. What's that like? 15 ticks on gold? Yeah, Naz is this is a beauty. If this was, I wish gold was trading like this. Are you thinking of starting to trade any other pairs than gold? No, gold will always be my main pair. But I'm just watching Naz. I know, because a lot of the traders in the community trade Naz too. Well, not a lot, quite a few. But gold is always going to be the cleanest pair for me, 100%. Gold's price action is just super clean. Nothing, me watching Naz now, nothing will probably come of it in the future. But I'm just watching it now because a few of the guys in the community and in the chat here are in longs. But nothing will probably come of it. In the next 6 months probably, when I've got enough data and I see how it moves. But I haven't traded it for long enough to add it. But yeah, look at that push. Liquidity. That is the plan. This is the plan to the absolute T. This is a half risk long position, perfect to the plan. And we're already running like 1-to-1. If you want to go break even here, you can do after pushing that little bit. Gold equals trade. Naz is a roller coaster, yeah. Yep. But yeah, look at this, guys. Another one. Look, liquidity grab, closure back above the range, flip higher. Look at that push there. You could mirror that push now here. And you could get a beautiful push now on gold. Doing the exact same thing, look. As you did here, you could do the exact same here and continue higher. But, like I say, I haven't got enough data for me to start just entering positions on funded accounts and stuff. There's no way. But I'll break it down, of course, if people want it breaking down, I'll break it down. Cheers for lights, guys. Smashed it. Almost on 20 already. Everyone turns up on Mondays. I love to see it. Smashed it, guys. 20 likes. I appreciate everybody. Everyone who tunes in, subscribes, drops a comment. Nice one, guys. Bam, bam, bam. $35 legends tuning into the stream. Good to see, guys. And girls. Yeah, 15-minute here, guys. We've got 9 minutes to wait. This will be valid, impulse entry, because we're above the level. We're closing above the level, and we've taken this liquidity. So, this is valid. But I need that closure. 8 minutes to wait. But yeah, I could do with a clean overlay for the new OBS that I'm setting up on my computer. Nothing special, just something simple, but maybe a little bit different. Hey Joe, how's your day been? Good, thanks, mate. Great, how's yours been, Sean? I've only taken one break even, but we followed the plan. To say how gold's been overall, and most people have probably lost a lot of money. Look at that. Guys, I'm not just saying it, but this is not clean. But are we gonna find entries? Of course. You're probably gonna get a quick push on this high here, and spike back down probably, maybe all-time highs. You're probably gonna get a quick spike on them highs after this 15 closure. But I've already taken one trade today. My average is like 1 to 2 trades a day, so if I take 1 or 2 more, then yeah, let's see. 43 people joined and tuned into the YouTube live, guys. That's a new record for me. 43 have tuned in. I've never had more than 40 people join the streams, guys. 6 months ago, guys, I had 2 people tuning into the streams. Now we've got 45 here. I appreciate everyone who tunes in, subscribes, likes, comments. If you get some value, if you just tune in for 2 hours a day, get some value, that's perfect for me. Aaron, how's it going, bro? Welcome, mate. But yeah, plus 40 people, crazy. And almost smashed 600 subscribers too. Aaron, genuine person. appreciate it. You deserve it. Legend. Nice, must be doing something right, man. Cheers, guys. Clearly here for a reason, man. Yeah, cheers, Wes. Guys, thanks for all the comments. Try to give a little bit of value back. Like I said, I don't give everything on YouTube, but I give us enough so people can tune in, get some value, take some trades, talk trading. And like I said, we don't even need to talk strategy that I'm trading. Like, if you've got something you want to talk about, how's your day been, whatever, yeah, we can just tune in a couple of hours. You know, if you're a full-time trader and you want to tune in and just talk to other traders, then yeah, perfect. Trading on your own is boring. Especially if you haven't got a community like... Need to join Joe's community. Appreciate that, Nancy. Nice one. One sec, guys. Yeah, nice. I can even imagine the mindset you have for streaming live. I don't think people understand how impressive that is. Yeah, it's not easy. Yeah, you're 100% right. You definitely have to get to a position where you're comfortable. But yeah, I appreciate that. It is... When you start, it is a bit... When you do start streaming, it's not easy, but you get... Just follow... If you follow the plan, understand that if you understand that the plan works. Yeah, you might take the odd loss. Like, what we've taken 6 losses on stream in 6 months. But yeah, 15-minute closure here. 3 minutes until we close, guys. But yeah, at the start, you're a bit hesitant to take trades, of course. But after the first couple of trades, you just get into it, and if you take a loss, it is what it is. Losses don't bother me, but it does bother some people who watch. And I understand that. But when you're comfortable with taking losses, that's when you start following the plan more. And when you start following the plan more, you start taking more consistent trades. Start getting more consistent, should I say, overall. You know, being open to them losses and not being afraid of them makes you trade to the plan. Effectively. And I'm exactly right now, if we close above this level, I'm going to be taking longs higher. If it loses, so what? If it loses, so what? And it doesn't bother me, but I know it could bother some other people who are watching. But on the other hand, I imagine it could be beneficial to stream live because you don't want to look stupid and take stupid mistakes. To be honest with you, on and off stream, the positions I take off stream, I would take them on stream. I don't really take... I never revenge trade anymore. Never FOMO. Sometimes I'll execute a position and... Off stream, I'll execute a position and I'll go, wow, I shouldn't have bought there because there was liquidity right below my stop loss. I'll be like, yeah, next, obviously, I still do things where, you know, obviously, all my trades are still to the plan, but sometimes I'll execute a position. My level weren't 100% correct, but we're human. Everyone's going to make them little mistakes now and again. But would I still took them trades that I took offline, online? Yeah, of course. I don't care how long you've been trading. When you've been trading 10 years, you're still going to look back at your journal, or you're going to look back at a trade you take and you're going to go, I shouldn't have took that. My level should have been higher, for example. And it is what it is. Like, you're going to do that for the rest of your life. You're not perfect. You're not a robot. And you need to be happy with that. Here we go. 45 seconds. Bottom wick. Longs higher for me. Is this hourly going to go and take all-time highs? And is this 4 hourly going to go and take it? If it does, I'll be very, very surprised. I think we can get a stab higher on this next candle. It's just how much room is it going to give me? How much room is it going to give me? I've got 50 ticks into 40 to 50 ticks into all-time highs. But have I got enough room where this... Not really. Goldie, what are you doing to me? 4 hourly's so clean. Look at the 4 hourly. Tuck lows, close back above. Is it going to bottom wick? And am I going to be able to get a little entry on here? I've got 7 ticks into them highs. I need at least a 10 tick bottom wick here. 5 to 10 ticks. If it doesn't bottom wick here, guys, I can't execute this position. So I'm going to be looking for longs here. But I want a bottom wick, and then I'd be looking for price to push into this high and then this high. So effectively, I'm going to be looking to long, say around here. Stop loss wherever the wick is. Because I'd expect this to push down and then flip back higher. And then I'd be in this trade like this. Looking at for this to run higher. But is it going to push? Like that. Is it going to push? Let's see. I'm not in this yet, guys, by the way. I'm not in this. This is just a markup of what I'm expecting. I'm not in this trade. 3 ticks into that first management point is shocking. Oh, Goldie. Goldie, Goldie, Goldie. Strong premium zone. Yeah, no trade for me yet, guys. Look at that. That's why you wait. Do you know when I said at the start of this, I said I'm gonna wait for at least a 5 to 10 tick bottom wick. It created a 2 tick bottom wick. That's why we don't enter. You know, look at that. Now we've created the bottom wick. It's pushing further down. That's why you wait. Cheers, Wes, for updating the community on that one. Appreciate it. I was going to put it in. I'm not. I've deleted this order. Yeah, that guys, like Wes said, thank God for stop orders. Stop orders will save you so many range getting chopped. Look, gold's overall in a range, and to prevent you from getting chopped in a range, you need volume, okay? And a stop order prevents you from having that, because let's say you market executed this when it pushed down a little bit. Look, you're in drawdown now, but we're not in the trade because we've got a stop buy on the break of the high with the volume. So that is the entry that I'm looking for. But let's see what happens here. Gold looks like it wants to continue down for now. I'll just wait. If this 30 closes bullish, I'll take the 30 entry. To be honest with you, Rav, Indy, I don't really care if it doesn't want to take all-time highs. If it doesn't, I'll take shorts. It doesn't really bother me. I don't think about that too much. I don't think about, does it want to take all-time highs? Like, if I get an entry, I'll manage, go break even. If it takes all-time highs, great. If not, I've managed it where I need to manage. I'm out where I need to get out. I've done what I need to do. If it runs into all-time highs, perfect. I get more profit. If it doesn't, there's no stress. But I'm not really interested in shorts until we probably close back below some of these levels here. Guys, just look at the 4 hourly. Is the 4 hourly telling you that gold's ready to reverse to the downside? What has this 4 hour done? It's literally candle formations. Look, it's taken the prior candle low, and what's it done? It's closed above multiple levels. Is this telling you that it wants to continue down? No. Look at this. What did this 4 hourly do? It took the prior 4 hour low, closed bullish. Prior 4 hour low, closed bullish. What did the next candle do? It flew into all-time high. Again. What's this? Look at this. Swept liquidity, pushed higher. Swept liquidity. After this candle closure, is everybody selling? No, they're buying because the volume's there. We've taken liquidity. It's the same now. I'll look for sells if this starts closing bearish and below some levels, which it could do. Gold does crazy things. It could do. Not crazy things, but gold can in one candle. Like this bearish candle now could bang like that, and it can do that easily. But right now it's not telling me that. Nah, it wants to go higher. I agree. We've got liquidity. We've got liquidity above to take. We've swept liquidity. We're closing bullish. There's no way I'm looking for sells yet, guys. There's zero chance. People looking for sells now, retail traders. And what are retail traders doing? They're going short here with the stops on these highs, looking for this play down. If I know most retail traders are in drawdown at this level, I'm going to go and target their stops on these highs here. And I really do think them all-time highs are going to get taken soon. Especially if this 4 hour close is like this. If this 4 hour close is like so, I'm going to be going long into them highs. I'm going to be looking for this 30 to close bullish. If this 30 closes bullish, I'll take longs. Not the cleanest liquidity grab, but valid. If not, the next 15. Or the 4 hourly. There's many entries here. Charlie Brundell, how did you get started with day trading? I got started trading like 7 years ago, mate. I always used to swing trade, but when you go into full-time trading, you adapt into different things, and you know, for me, day trading's way better. I'd rather just be in and out, done for the day. Yeah, I still stay active and answer questions and do analysis in the chats for the community because there's people trading. But am I actively trading all the time? No, I trade for like 5 to 6 hours a day. But does that mean that you can't catch positions when I'm not trading? No, 100% you can. Check that 15-minute candle. Very nice. Let's have a look. Do you mean this one, Ralph? This candle here, or this current 15? Oh, I need a haircut. I ain't had a haircut in like 2 months. I got one haircut in Vietnam in the 3 months I was there because I don't trust them. They aren't good. To be fair, the one that I did get was decent, but I didn't get another. I'm gonna go this weekend maybe. So I won't be wearing a hat. I won't be wearing a hat next week. Sorry, it was the current, but it's pulled back since I messaged. Yeah, the 15. If this 15 continued higher, if this 15 closed bullish, then yeah, I'd just take that 30, 40 ticks into all-time highs. That'd be nice. I just shaved mine short myself. Nice. I could do that. To be fair, mine's all over the place right now. I don't even want to take my hat off. But do you have to find a broker to start this? And if so, how do you find one? No, Charlie, how long have you been trading, mate? I personally don't tell anybody to put personal money into trading. If you want to, yeah, just to get a little bit of emotion into it, yeah. Don't put so much. You know, start with maybe like a 50k prop firm account with Top Step. But if you want to learn and use everything that we use and learn the strategy, feel free to join the community and learn, mate. If not, and you want to learn for free, just tune into the lives. Depends how long you've been trading, bro. Show us, mate. Show me them lot. No, it's horrendous. I've got Caphead as well. I haven't. I want to start and try earn money. If it goes to shit, we're back to the old simple job. Yeah, Charlie, nice work, man. Just learn a simple strategy. Don't overcomplicate it, mate. Feel free to join, learn up. Like I say, we've got like 40 members. 45 members in the Discord community. All the strategies there to learn. If you want to learn that, feel free, mate. Like I said, there's no push to join, but if you want to join, learn my day trading strategy. Obviously, get updated with gold, my trades, members, etc. Members chats. Feel free to join. But yeah, it's good, man. Like I say, you can always go back to a job. Jobs are always going to be there. But for me, like, yeah, you're right. Wish I had a full head of hair. Lol, I just use a skull shave now, mate. I think I will have to when I'm older, especially after trading for so long. I wouldn't be surprised if I either end up grey or bald. Just don't know how to get started. There's so many ways to get started, mate. Mentoring sessions got 20 views on it from Discord members. Good stuff, guys. That's great to see. Discord 20 views. Guys, if anybody does want to join the Discord community mentorship, like I say, I've just linked it twice there. Let me check the comments. Charlie, I would try to go in with a mindset it's going to take at least 3 to 4 years. It's a long and hard road. Yeah. Trading, yeah, it is hard. It took me about 3 to 4 years to get profitable myself, but I didn't really take it like serious. I was too busy switching strategies, trying to reinvent the wheel. I did take it serious, but I didn't really understand that I could just trade simple. Like, that's why so many members in the community as well, it doesn't take them as long to get payouts and pass funded, because I'm here and I can show them that you can trade simple with me. I tell them all the good stuff, none of the BS, and it definitely does save time. Like me and Wes, I know Wes how we used to, I know how me and Wes used to trade. Now we used to trade like 4 or 5 years ago. We never used to keep it simple. Now we do. And it's all about keeping it simple, sticking to the strategy, execution. And like I say, it took me 3 to 4 years to get profitable. I've been profitable for like 3 years now. But it doesn't have to take you that long. it literally all depends on what direction you go. If you go into switching strategies every week, yeah, it's going to take you a long time. A lot of mindset that holds you back 100%. Yeah, exactly. And that's the thing. Trading's hard enough, like with the psychology, etc. Like, keep your strategy, your concepts, and your execution as simple as possible. That's all. That's all you need, really. Oh my god, it will take nowhere near that length of time in this community. That's the overall, like, that's it, Nancy, as well. Like, yeah, it took me a long time because I didn't really have the guidance that I give people. People need to take trading like any job or apprenticeship. You can have a good 3, 4, 5 years, and it's not even, yeah. And that's another thing as well. Like, so many of these gurus on TikTok who give these signals tell people like, trade alongside me, trade this as a full time job. Yeah, nah. And then people quit the job. They understand these signals don't work. But yeah, you're 100% right there. Literally, I don't know what website to use or nothing. Literally just want to give it a go, but don't know how to. Um, yeah, Charlie, you can do a little bit of research. There's, like I said, there's free resources out there. But Trading View for analysis. Depending on if you want to do FX, MT5 for FX, or Top Step for a good funded futures challenge. But yeah, there's definitely some free stuff out there as well. Like, just tune into the YouTube lives for a couple of hours a day too. But is my community free where I teach people? No, because I know that my stuff's good, especially for the price that I offer it, guys. Like, you're not going to get the mentorship that I give, because how much I put into the community, how much content I have in there, how active I am for £60 a month. You'll struggle. Not to say that, guys, I've been in communities before. I understand. I've been in upwards of 10 communities. I understand what 50% of 50% of the communities are like nowadays, and yeah, none of them put as much work in, should I say. Yeah, they'll have like thousands of members. They'll have thousands of members. You'll pay double what you pay for me, but you'll never get replies from the people teaching you. You won't be getting as many members Zoom calls, this and that. So, oh my god, it will never take you nowhere near the length of time in this community. Yeah. Like I say, some people take longer than others. It depends what your learning is like. Depends how quickly you pick it up. But that's the overall goal with the community. Like, it took me 3, 4 years because I did a lot of the wrong things. Putting my energy into the wrong things. Switching strategies. It's going to take you longer switching strategies. Learning something new every other month. It's going to take you longer. When I actually kept it simple, stayed patient, followed the plan, that's when it changed. Don't know who to trust online nowadays, if you know what I mean. Yeah, 100%, man. I know what you mean. It's so toxic. Trading's so toxic. Yeah, this 30 was kind of valid. Yeah, this 30 was valid. I didn't take it, though. This 30 push was valid. If you took it, you'd be managing there at 20 ticks. You just have to be willing to learn, lose your ego 100%. Ego's a huge killer in trading. There's so many traders who, like, guys, can I just show you something? Look at these red rejection candles. How many retail traders are going short here? And how many retail traders are getting stopped out now? How many order block traders, SMC traders are going short here? Getting stopped out. Joe's no BS. Yeah, I tried to. Very cheap, best group. Nice one, Bill. Appreciate that, bro. And I don't care, guys. You can go and you can, like I said, for people who want to learn, like you can learn with anybody, learn yourself, learn for free. Just make sure that the person that you're learning from proves themselves. You know, you want somebody who's proven themselves on live, like trades on live and breaks down on live. Like if you're watching an ex TikTok dancer saying that he's making all this money, it's just a demo account. They can't trade live. Not an ex TikTok dancer, but you know what I mean. Like these ex Love Island stars, ex TV stars who really just want your affiliate money. That's what I mean. When you've got a man who was doing these dances coming at me asking to join the group, are you crazy? Do you really think I'm going to join him? Not a chance. Duncan, yeah, I can go through them. I'll go through them, Duncan. I don't want to go through it here because that's for community. That's community knowledge, Duncan, mate. But yeah, Wes is 100% right. You need to put the work in the beginning. You need to put that work in. Understand that you need to put that work in at the start, and then once you understand the concepts, you can take a step back. You can just be patient, execute, stay consistent. And then when you've got the consistency there, the money will naturally come. And I wish that I was taught that in the first couple of years, because it would have saved me so much time. And it shouldn't have taken me 3 to 4 years to get profitable and get payouts, but it did because I did the wrong things. But it's just all learning. Like if I had somebody telling me what I tell my members now, it would not have taken me 3 to 4 years. You know, find a plan, keep it simple, stay consistent, journal. The money will naturally come, no rush. Like, yeah, it definitely have taken me nowhere near 4 years, but it is what it is. It's everyone's different journey. If anyone's got any questions, feel free to put it in. If entry on the wick of the previous candle is a bit of a big stop loss. Yeah, for me, you would have had to enter. Oh, nice, Sean. Good stuff, Sean. You'd have had to enter on this candle on the closure, on the flip, and you'd be break even at these highs. I personally didn't take it. I'm going to wait for this next 15. Maybe even the 4-hourly close. Yeah, probably enter the next 4-hour flip higher. 4 hours is so clean. This is my second week with Joe, and he is on the hand every day. Will be a lifetime member. Legend. Appreciate it. Let's have a look at that trade that we had on thingy, like what Wes said. Oh my god. NQ, you absolute beast. Guys, like we mentioned, we literally just had this played out. What a trade. Look at that. That's it, guys. You've got scroll back to the start of the YouTube live, and we marked this up before it even played out. There you go, guys. Break even. You got 25 ticks there. Playing it higher. Insane. Insane. Guys, I've just pinned the Discord community access in the YouTube chat. Feel free to join. You should trade NQ, bro. Yeah, this was the NQ trade, guys. It was very, very valid. Like I said, it's very, very... Like, I'd take this trade day in, day out on gold. And what did I say at the start? And I'm definitely I'm definitely making this into a TikTok video, guys. What a clip. I said, look what we've done here. Taken liquidity, closed strong above, pushed higher. Look, took liquidity, closed strong above, smashed higher. Oh my god, it's literally like a mirror, guys. It's literally like a mirror. 100 ticks, that's 1k on 2 contracts. Insane. That's like a third of your challenge you're done. I'm finding gold a bit bad recently. NQ's been nice. Yeah, but I don't change, guys. I don't change because gold's trading bad. I just stick to it. Gold is, yeah, for sure. Gold is way cleaner. So, guys, that's what you should think to yourself. What is a retail trader doing? They're trading gold for 2 weeks, failing, and then moving to GJ. They're trading gold for 3 days, taking a loss, going on to another pair. No, stick to gold. We know it works. Like, I've traded this for years and years and made profit. Yeah, there might be a cycle for a couple of weeks where it's in a range like this. Look at this. We're in a range here. And is it as easy to trade? I haven't really struggled. I've been making profit, but have I been making as much profit as I would when it's trending? Probably not as much, but I'm still making good profit. So just let them go. And what we're doing now, we're starting to break out. But yeah, I don't switch up because something's clean, something isn't. Yeah, I'm going to watch this 4 hour. We're going to hit all-time highs on this hourly as well. Ah. Cheers everyone for tuning in. We've got 32 here still. Nice one. How many subscribers are we on, guys? Wow, 574. 574 subs, guys. Soon 600. I appreciate everyone for that. Nasty Naz. That's the thing as well. You'll start trading Naz and then Naz will do something to annoy you. And then you'll go back onto gold. And then, guys, just stick to the same thing. Oh, let me stick for anybody who's not in. Let me link the free Telegram, because I know there's people, guys. If you're here and you're not in the free Telegram, make sure you join the free Telegram, because that's where the link goes for the YouTube. Okay, let me link the free Telegram. I've just linked it 2 times. I've just linked it 2 times. What I'll do is I'll pin the free Telegram. Make sure you get inside, because it'll tell you when I go live, okay? I've just pinned it. Yeah, this is the free channel, guys, because it's just the free Telegram for my links, a bit of analysis now and again. Yeah, clear shot into all-time highs now. Guys, what did I say? What did we say before at the start of the session? And webinar, community members, what did I mention in yesterday's webinar? I mentioned where a retail stop loss is on these highs, where they're going short at this level. What are we going to do? Well, if we close above, we're going to go long into these highs. Everything that we went over yesterday in that webinar 1, is what we've just seen now. Clear as day targets. And that's why we succeed so much with gold, because we trade when most are getting stopped out. Here. If you caught this 30-minute, look. If you caught this 30-minute, perfect. Very, very clean. I personally didn't take it, but if you're in this, nice work. Liquidity, closure above, 30-minute push higher. That's your trade on gold for the day, guys. And you're currently running 25 ticks up. Gold's looking good here. Yeah, what Rabbit is, mate. Yeah, we're going to smash all-time highs now. I'm personally not in this trade. Rav, no. I'd only look at another level if this rejected. If this rejected like this, and we had structure to the left here, then yeah, I'd push this level and buy back above here. but we haven't. We're clear. We're clear now. Until we met that rejection, I can't place another level. Ba-ba-dum, bam, bam. But yeah, good thinking. Yeah, I've got a bit of structure here. You've got an order block here. Sorry guys, I am taking the mic. I'm not being serious. We've got an order block here. We've got silver bullet. We've got silver bullet coming in here. We just need to see this breaker structure. We need it to come back into this demand zone. Once we get into this demand zone, we need to see another breaker structure, because why not? And then we need for it to come into this ROI, and we need to get this premium discount level. Then we need to break structure again. We're not in a trade yet, but we need to break this structure again. We need for it to come retest these lows, retest these prior support level. When it pushes down, we'll look to enter. Sorry guys, that's just a joke. Forming turtle soup. Crazy. Absolutely crazy. I apologise to anybody who trades supply and demand. If it works for you, good stuff. It was just a little joke. Don't forget the crouton confluence. Jesus. It wouldn't surprise me if they had a word for like that, a setup. The guys, FVG, yeah, crazy. Guys, don't get me wrong. If we do start rejecting here and push down, it's only because we've got a level here, look. Resistance, support, acts as resistance and push down. I was just joking before, because so many traders have so many confluences and it's just not needed. Keep it simple, okay? I've traded profitably for 3 years now. Keeping it simple. But if you do whatever strategy you trade, guys, if it works for you, perfect. If you're profitable with a strategy and it's working for you, don't change anything. Keep going. If you trade order blocks, turtle soup, silver bullet, whatever. I personally don't, but if it works for you, good stuff. If you're finding that it's over-analysis paralysis, super hard to follow, and you carry on doing it day in, day out, then that's when you need to ask yourself. That's the only way you need to ask yourself, am I making this too complicated for myself? Because realistically, 9 times out of 10, it is too complicated. At any time, I'll have 2 levels on my chart like this. Look, level here, and I understand exactly where I'm getting in, exactly where I'm getting out, and that's all you need. Clear as day, clear analysis, know where I'm entering, know where I'm targeting, done. And look at this. If you entered this 30-minute entry like we brought down, liquidity, break above, liquidity, bang. No 20 confluences, 15 different things on my charts. Pure technical analysis. And look at this as well. US 100. I didn't take it. I'm not going to say I did. But we broke it down and it was an absolute sniper of an entry. Anybody who trades 1% risk, there you go, guys. 4.5R, 5R there. 5% on a 1% risk there. $15-minute teasing. Yeah, I think this will hit all-time highs soon. If not, I'll just enter this 4-hourly flip higher. 11 minutes here. I could be on for entries, guys. Liquidity grab. Closure above this range. I could be on for 4-hour entries. Gotta wait 15 minutes here. And I'll be on for these H4 entries. If it doesn't take it. Where's that? What's that, mate? Yeah, guys, if we get the strong closure in 10 minutes, I'll be taking H4 longs into this all-time high. Because I think gold's going to take these highs shortly. On this next 4 hourly for sure. That 15 would have tagged. I'm not looking at anything. I'm just going to watch this 4 hourly close. The cleanest entry on this session was this 30-minute long here. If anybody caught this 30-minute long, that's your cleanest entry in the US so far. Or pre-US. If you've already taken your W, like most of the community have, good stuff. Maybe come back tomorrow. Try catch this all-time high long. If it hits all-time high, come back tomorrow. That's what I'll be doing. It's a graphic explaining new versus experienced traders. Ah, okay, yeah, I understand. Yeah. Yeah, most traders who are very successful don't have all these crazy things on the charts. Like, most traders who are successful have like look at my charts, super clean. I know, like, they know exactly where they want to get in, exactly where they want to get out, exactly where they want to manage. That's what you need to know before any position. Where am I entering? Where am I exiting? Where am I managing? Simple, that's it. If that is all over the place, you don't know where you're entering, you don't know where you're going to manage, you don't know if this is a valid entry, your analysis is too much analysis that your head's going crazy, that's where you're going to go wrong. And that's what happens when you overanalyze too much. And look at this, guys. Like, taking my money, finished now. Nice. Nancy, did you take this 30-minute entry here? Perfect. From what I've seen, it's true. 100% was. 100% right there. 35 here, guys. Welcome. Loving the consistency. Everybody who tunes in, you'll get some value from this. Good stuff. Yeah, I'm going to be looking to enter this 4 hourly flip. Another 14 ticks on that current candle. Legend. Legend, Sean. Sean, seeing that consistency now. Good stuff, mate. Hey, Joe, would you ever risk 1% per trade of this strategy? As quite often you get... yeah, you could do. You'd have to have on your... You'd have to have some sort of tick value to percentage risk on your wall or something so you can execute it quickly. You could definitely do 1% risk though. Maybe you'd have to only focus on one account though, because trying to execute 1% risk on multiple accounts would be hard work. But yeah, you could definitely do it. And like if you entered this trade, guys, you'd be up. Look at that. You've got a 7R into them highs. I personally don't, but look at that. 7R. That's like almost a prop firm challenge passed. In one trade, you've almost passed a FTMO challenge. But yeah, nothing overcomplicated here, guys. One level to buy above. We know where the liquidity is. We know where the entry is. We know where our exits are. That's what we do. Nancy, yeah, you got on this entry. Beautiful. Very, very, very valid entry, guys. Let's have a look exactly where it flipped. Yeah, it flipped. Come back to break even a little bit. Yeah. Did it push enough to take that? 30, yeah, it probably would have messed about a little bit, but all good. Probably would have messed me about here, this entry, to be fair, but all good. I'm going to be watching this 4 hourly. If I can get 20 ticks into them all-time highs, that's fine by me. If not, and we hit all-time highs, we have to wait. Bam. But yeah, guys, I hope everyone's smashing it and ready to smash the week. Yeah, we're going to fly, hit them all-time highs. 7 minutes to wait for us to get an entry, though. Stay patient, lock in, wait for this 4-hour flip. If you're not in from down here, don't be chasing it here. Yeah, if you're not in here, don't try chasing the move here until we close. And guys, if you're not in the free Telegram, join the free Telegram. I've pinned the link in the chat. It's just so you can understand when I go live. Ooh, look at this little bit of a rejection here. Yeah, me too. I still will enter it above this level. You're still gonna go and wick these highs, but I would like it to close a bit more bullish. So many fake accounts on TikTok of me now, though. It's crazy. I don't waste my energy on it. And they'll block me so you can't see it, guys. They'll block me so I can't see it. But yeah, there's many. Joe Trades clips. Yeah, guys, watching this 4-hour close here. If you're on the 30, don't even think about entering another trade. Just go break even, manage. If you've caught your money for today, we're about to hit all-time highs. So if you after gold hits all-time highs here, I'm probably done for the day. I waste my energy for you, Joe. Martin, legend. Martin loves to play with the scammers on TikTok and Instagram. Yeah, guys, if you get a message from apparently me, it's not me. If you get somebody messaging you, if you message me, then yeah, all good. But sometimes I'll message you if you put something in the comments and you ask me to. But other than that, no. I don't need to beg you to send me crypto, guys. I'm off now. Have a great day. Nice, Nancy. You've caught your money. Enjoy the rest of your day. Do you really think I need to beg you for crypto deposits? It's crazy, like, how are you? Do you want to join this new 2-step strategy? Send me crypto. Crazy. I'd hate for somebody to get scammed on my name. I'd hate it. Even though I can't do anything about it, I'd hate for that to happen. Yeah, it's so true. But there's not one now. They just block me. There's about 5 accounts, but I can't see them because they're all blocked. But I get messages like every other day. This isn't you. This is, of course, yeah, it's not me. Thanks for everybody who does let me know, though. If you do see a fake account, let me know. What's this for? Is this 4-hour going to give me any room? 15 ticks. Guys, we're not just going to hit all-time highs and reverse. You're going to push 20, 30 ticks above it. Look at this now. It won't just wick it and push down. It's going to push to, like, probably 29.55. Look at that. What a 4-hour candle. Absolute stunning. If you caught this 30-minute candle, what a trade. What a trade. Bam, ba-dam, bam. Oh. Oh. Yeah, it's going to push. So many scammers on TikTok live. It's crazy. Not my people. The people who make fake accounts of me. I mean, on TikTok Live, telling them to join groups and stuff. Begging it. Absolutely begging it. Like, they fly to Dubai. And they post themselves with a background of Dubai. And it's like... begging so much, man. That 30-minute was absolutely stunning. Liquidity, closure above, flip higher. Anybody else catch this 30-minute candle, 55 ticks? I ain't checked the Discord community, let me check that. Yeah, Ron, 30-minute was the flip, 100%, mate. Let me just ask the community really quickly. I'm probably going to be done for the day, to be honest with you guys, if it hits this all-time highs. I'm going to be honest with you. I'm happy to sit out on a Monday. This is just not my trade. Nice work, Julius. Caught it. I personally didn't, guys, but it's valid. What's US 100 saying? Oh my god, what a trade. Look at the W's, guys. Look at the W's. Stunning price action on both gold and US 100. NAS. Look at that. W. You can look to enter the 4 hour long if it pushes up, because it's not just going to push and reverse. It'll probably push like 20-30 ticks above. But it just doesn't matter. Look at that, yeah. You've had your 10 tick push above. All-time highs hit, guys. Congratulations. What did we hit? Did we hit 29.50? Yeah, 29.55. New all-time high, guys. I think. Yeah, just smashed it. I didn't mean I think we've hit all-time highs. I think 29.55. Let me just have a look. No, 29.56. Sorry. 4 wins, 1 loss. I'm done. Beautiful stuff. Beautiful stuff, Julius. Yeah, me too, guys. All-time highs hit. If you caught this 30-minute trade that we brought down, great stuff. That is the trade for the day. I'm personally going to be waiting on gold now. I'm just going to stay active in the community. Yeah, there's not much to be doing right now, guys, other than waiting. Average view duration today is 30 minutes. The average person who stopped by today stayed 30 minutes. So, great stuff, guys. Right, guys, yeah, I'm going to head off. I'll see you all tomorrow. Community members, I'll see you in the Discord community. If you want to join the Discord community, I've already linked the Discord community invite. I've already linked the website, my website link, so you can join the Discord. If you do want to join the Discord, I'll put it in again for you. You know, you get access to all the course videos, trade breakdowns, chat rooms, members chats, my trades, all the members Zooms, everything that you need to get profitable with the strategy is there. If you want to join, use that link. Have a good day, Sean. You too, mate. Have a good day, Joe. You too, Sean, mate. But if you're not in the community, I'll see you tomorrow on YouTube Live. If you are in the community, I'll see you in the chats now, guys, okay? So, yeah, hope everyone has a beautiful day. Don't overtrade at all-time highs, guys. Now we need to wait. This is the waiting time on gold. If you trade another pair, but do not be trading gold here. And yeah, hope everyone's taken some value. In a bit, guys. See you tomorrow. Peace.